Hold that rod up, son. Don't let it break. Hold it up. Use that. Whoa.
There are some big girls out here, I know that.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, that's a good one down there.
That's a good one now.
Yes, he is.
Down there. There he is.
Oh,
another 3 pounds.
Oh, man.
I wished it, baby.
You beat that guy, didn't you?
Now that's all bigger than all my other ones.
It is too.
That's probably your biggest one, number 15. Man.
Oh, gee.
Stand next to that, son.
Probably want to take that out of skin. Oh, they have tongues?
Woo! That's good. It's all video.
It's all video.
Hold on,
This
dude.
thing's going big. Oh, please. Hurry up. It's over here.
Oh, I see. Boy, I tell you, man, it's like having a wife.
No, man.
In the state. It's all you. You got him. You just stay in that fighting chair. This thing thinks it's a marlin or something.
I see him coming up.
Tuna.
Oh, he's a good one.
Man, I got
Keep it coming.
20.
Keep him coming.
Come on. Oh, son.
Oh my gosh, I think you've got the biggest one today.
Turn. Oh, okay. Now we got a 4-pound fish.
Woo!
Look at the size of that fish Charlie just got. I'm telling you. That's a
one's still
4-pound
playing.
fish, Charlie. You're going to hold this one up.
You're going to hold this one, baby.
Good guy. Even from Dallas, I still shake your hand. I'm shaking your hand anyhow. I'm not one of them kind of Eagle fans.
What we got?
Close to him. He's 4 3/4.
Wow.
Every bit of 4. This scale weighs light, so he's about 5 pounds.
That's